Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Google Analytics segments. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website traffic and behavior. And segments are a key feature that enables you to dive deeper into your data. First, let's define what segments are. Segments are subsets of your website data that allow you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users. For example, you can create a segment to analyze traffic from a specific country, or to look at behavior of users who have made a purchase. To create a segment, go to the reporting view in Google Analytics. Click on the plus sign next to the word segments, and then select New Segment. Here you can choose from a variety of pre-built conditions or create your own custom conditions using dimensions and metrics. One of the most important tips for using segments is to keep them simple and focused. Avoid creating complex segments with too many conditions, as this can make them difficult to interpret. Instead, try to create segments that answer specific questions, such as what are the most popular pages among mobile users, or what is the conversion rate of users from a specific social media channel. Another key concept is the difference between session-based and user-based segments. Session-based segments look at individual sessions, while user-based segments look at the behavior of individual users across multiple sessions. For example, a session-based segment might show you the number of sessions from a specific city, while a user-based segment might show you the number of users from that city who have made a purchase. Practical examples of segments include analyzing traffic from different marketing channels, such as paid search or social media, or looking at the behavior of users who have completed a specific goal, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. You can also use segments to compare the behavior of different groups of users, such as mobile versus desktop users, or users from different countries. Best practices for using segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they are still relevant and accurate, and using them in conjunction with other Google Analytics features, such as goals and events, to get a more complete picture of your website data. Additionally, use the segment comparison feature to compare the behavior of different segments and identify trends and patterns in your data. By following these tips and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics segments and gain a deeper understanding of your website traffic and behavior. This will enable you to make data-driven decisions and improve the overall performance of your website.